Hello everyone, here is Mia from TAICO. Today I'm going to show you unboxing video of TKNA series TAICO sodium-ion batteries, which model is 12-volt 50 amp-hours, and this is independent manufactured by TAICO ourselves. Now let's open the package box. This is the appearance of the battery. Sodium-ion batteries performs even outstanding in low temperature environments. It can still discharge at minus 40 degrees. SOC remain more than 90% at minus 20 degrees. They have a cycle life of over 3,000 times, which are very suitable for micro EVs, low-speed scooters, and car starting, with stable range in extremely cold weather. They can also be installed at home as residential energy storage batteries paired with PV systems. It adapts to multi-scenario applications, providing cost-effective energy solutions for home use and drive in low-temperature areas. If you want to know more about our TAICO and sodium-ion batteries, please visit our official website, taicopower.com. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.